What's up, guys? I hope you're having a great day. Today I want to talk about a question that I ask myself on the daily. Will or are my anxiety symptoms ever going to go the hell away? When are my symptoms going to stop? Are my symptoms going to ever go away for good? Are my symptoms ever going to stop changing? There's a lot of different variations, but it was really symptom focused, and I want you guys to get away from that, because as long as you are symptom focused, recovery is pretty much impossible. I'm just going to be 100% honest. I don't want to sugarcoat for you guys. I don't want to give you that disservice, okay? But you know what time it is. Smash the like button down below if you're ready to kick anxiety in the butt. And leave me a comment, guys. Let me know if you've been asking yourself this question lately. I'm sure most of you have. Like I said, I did all the freaking time. And guess what? I suffered for a long time. I was symptom focused. The first thing you need to realize is that you can't put a timetable on recovery. You can't put a timetable on a micro level on these symptoms. You got to stop wondering how long they're going to stick around for them to actually leave. Because the fact that you're wondering and the fact that you're obsessing about that, the timetable, it just shows that you're fearful. And you have to remember, guys, these symptoms are fear-fueled. They are fear-fueled. Think about the other symptoms that you used to have. Remember, you were really scared of them, so guess what? They happened all the time. What happened when you changed the way you viewed them, right? Maybe you were like, it ain't that disease, or this is anxiety. I'm able to accept that. Guess what? Those symptoms kind of left, right? Your subconscious realized, like, this ain't getting, their attention anymore. So, and he's not afraid of them anymore, or her, she's not afraid of them. So I'm going to stop sending them. The same thing is going to happen with the symptoms that you have right now that you fear. But you have to change the way that you view them. You have to stop reacting with negativity and fear, because that's the very thing that fuels them. So we have no timetable on the symptoms, and we have to change the way that we react. Think about it. I tell people all the time, and I've been telling you guys in my videos lately, I want you to challenge the symptoms. I want you to act like they need to get worse. Stop running away from them. Anxiety in general is fear, but on a micro level, these symptoms are being fueled by that. You are fearing the symptoms, so therefore they continue. So change the way that you react. I'm not saying you just have to ignore, but you basically have to get to a point to where you say, I don't care if these symptoms are happening. I'm not going to sit stagnant and just sit still and hide. I'm going to go throughout my day and do the things that I love, the things that I care about, my responsibilities as well, even if the symptoms are happening. Because you're going to have to go through a period of time, guys, where you're doing all the right stuff, and your subconscious is just got to play catch up for the symptoms to eventually go away. How long is that process? I'm not even going to attempt to give you a number on that. Everybody's different. Depends on your situation or your anxiety levels or the types of symptoms that you have. How long have you had them? How long have you feared them? But even when you're doing all the right stuff and you're making these changes, your subconscious can take a while to catch up to your conscious intentions. It just takes time. It lags behind. So be prepared to put in work while the symptoms happen. But the problem is people are putting in work, the symptoms are still happening, and then you get this constant obsession of wanting to know, well, when are they going to finally go away? You're missing the whole point. You have to show your subconscious that you don't give a damn how long they are here. That you don't give a damn if they're going to pop up throughout your day anymore. That's the real thing right there. Like, that's how you make them actually go away. So guys, I don't know. I want to keep this short, but hopefully that was able to motivate some of you and give you some encouragement, give you a direction to go regarding these symptoms. Stop running, stop reacting in fear, stop wondering how long they're going to stick around. That's the very thing that's keeping them here, okay? You have to prove to your subconscious that you're not afraid of them anymore for them to finally stop happening. But anyways, I hope you got some value. It's a really dreary, windy, blustery, cold day here in East Texas, so I didn't get out in the yard. But I want to keep doing these outside videos. I like the vibe, the energy level with that. And I got a new mic, guys. I don't know if you can tell the difference in my sound lately. I'm going to try it out in the office and see if it can help with that echo. But I'm really loving this mic action. And I'm actually got a selfie stick, so I'm getting a little better at trying to keep it from bouncing too much. But I'm trying to make some upgrades for you guys, okay? Remember, Anxiety Bootcamp is coming. The course will be here in early November. The first week that I put it out, it's going to be half off. So you want to be a part of that and snag it for a bargain. So that'll be coming out in November. Remember, the description has tons of options as well. If you're more interested in coaching with me, that info is down below in the description. Remember, if you're new here, guys, subscribe to the channel. Okay, I have hundreds of these videos. Hit the bell so you get updates when I actually put these videos out, because sometimes YouTube does not notify my subscribers for whatever reason. I think that's everybody's problem at this point. Remember, like this video if you got value. Leave a comment. Let me know if this is something that you've been struggling with. You are not alone, right? That's what this whole channel is about, to let you know that you are not alone and offer some advice and some tips on how to get out of this mess. But I love you all, and I will talk to you guys soon.